Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and keeping yourself safe at home. I am your teacher Maria Ijaz from the Nexus Education System Head Office. Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is your Afaq Sun series primary education English book. Today we are going to read our chapter on the page number 15. Our topic is unit number 3, thank you teacher. Thank you means paying gratitude to the teacher. Let's start our reading. A couple of months ago, my family had to move to Lahore from Karachi because my dad had got a new job in Lahore. I was very sad to leave my school and classmates. Here is a child who is expressing his experience of leaving his city. What happens? 2 months ago, his family had to move to Lahore from Karachi because his dad had got a new job in Lahore and he was sad to leave his school and schoolmates. In Lahore, I got admission to a school in our neighborhood. I found it hard to adapt to a new school environment. I really missed my old classmates with whom I had spent a lot of time studying and playing together. I was shy by nature, so it wasn't easy for me to mix with my new classmates. During break time, I would sit alone in a corner of the schoolyard watching other students playing. In Lahore, he got admission to a school near his house. He couldn't adjust a new school environment because he was missing his old classmates with whom he used to study and play. He was not frank and felt uneasy to mix with new friends, and he sat alone watching other students playing. I was a good student, but I began to lose interest in my studies. I had also missed out on some classes, but I made no effort to catch up with the rest of the boys. No wonder I got poor grades in the first monthly test at the new school. After handing over the result sheets, our class teacher Yasser called me to the staff room. No doubt he was a good student, but he couldn't make effort. He lost his interest towards the studies due to having no friends over there. In the result, what happened? He got poor grades in the first monthly test at the new school. After receiving the result sheets, his class teacher Sir Yasser called him to the staff room. Turn the page. Sir Yasser, boy, you are not showing interest in your studies. What is the matter with you? Me, sir, I missed my old classmates badly. I have no friends here. I feel alone here. Sir Yasser, I help you make new friends. In return, I want to show me that you are really good at studies. Now you can go to your classroom. The next morning, Sir Yasser called me to the front of the class. Hamza is a new in this school. Who wants to be friends with him? He asked, addressing the class. All the boys raised their hands. That's good, boys. Today, you will invite Hamza to play basketball with you during break time, said Sir Yasser. Asked him why he is not showing interest in his studies. What is the matter with him? He told to the sir that he missed his old classmates badly. He has no friends here. He feels alone. Sir Yasser told him that he will help to make new friends, but in return, he wants Hamza to be good at studies. The next morning, Sir Yasser called the Hamza in front of the class and asked, "Who wants to become a friend of Hamza?" All the boys raised their hands. That's good, said Sir Yasir. Now you will invite Hamza to play basketball with you during break time. Now Hamza had friends and he became happy. He started taking interest in his studies. I hope the explanation is clear to you. Now rest of the chapter you will read yourself with correct pronunciation and expression. Now here is an activity for you. The activity is that you have to find out the nouns and verbs in the first paragraph. Firstly, write the question on the top of the page. The question is, circle the nouns and underline the verbs. Yes, do you know what are nouns? The nouns are naming words, the name of a person, the name of a place, and the name of thing. Whereas verbs are doing words, action words. Now come on the first paragraph and firstly circle the noun. Family. Family is a noun. Lahore. Lahore is a noun, name of a place. Then circle the Karachi. Karachi, it is also a noun. Dad. School, name of a place. Classmates. We circled all the nouns. Now it's turn to underline the verbs. Move. Move is an action verb. So we underline the word move. Got. Got is an action word. We underline the word got. Leave. Leave is an action word. We underline the word leave. Wow, that's great. You have done amazingly. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Next time I will be here with another video lecture. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.